Hello, welcome back to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty. It's all about reviewing eyeshadow palettes, so stay tuned. Today, as I go through my many hundreds of makeup eyeshadow palettes that I've collected over the years, I'm going to review this one here. Let's see here. It's Morphe, one of my many palettes that I have for Morphe. This is 35 V as in Victor. And some simply beautiful shades. What a range of colors. I love this palette. I say that every time I do a video because it's true. I do love all of my palettes. But this one in particular because it's such a wide range of colors. You have blues, you have hues, you have, oh my God, purples, burgundies. You have the mattes, the shimmers, the glitter, everything. Okay, so I don't know what I'm doing today as far as the look. I like my little necklace. It's kind of weird. So I'm just going to go with it. I think I'm going to do some more blues because I never do blue. Rarely do I ever do blue. And a full disclaimer, most of the brushes I'm using are Morphe. Okay, let me just think about this for a second. I'm going to go wild, I'm going to go serious, and it's going to be scary. Okay, because it's some beautiful shades in here that I really want to explore. So I'm going to go in with a basic transition shade. And I will try and share the colors. This one is Go Nude. As it sounds, it's a nude shade. Very nice, matte finish, little or no fallout. That's what I get when I use Morphe. So, how are you guys doing? I'm doing okay, just trying to stay ahead of the game on every level. So, trying to stay sane and safe to boot. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so I'm cleaning my brush off a little bit. I'm going to go in with a little bit of the blue. I am really scared because this blue is so pigmented. Oh my God, I don't even know what to start with, but let's do this. It's like a purple violet blue. Oh, hello. And see, I'm telling you, it is blue. It's definitely different, but I'm only dabbing a little bit just so I could layer as I go. Okay, I'm gonna put another layer on this side. It's really kind of nice. Ooh, pretty. And I'm actually daring enough to wear blue during the day. I think blue is fine, actually, if you do it right and blend it well. So I have my big brush by Morphe, and I like to just use it to blend, especially when I'm using colors that I'm a little bit unfamiliar with, like this blue. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the next level of blue. Ooh, what do I want to use? Okay, I'll use this one. All right. Ooh, gorgeous. Wow, this is interesting, to say the least. Well, I don't know about you guys, with everything that's going on in the world today, I kid you not, I've been definitely trying to stay focused on things that I can change and make a difference. And that's what I highly suggest for all of us. Do what you can to make a difference with one person. That's it. So I'm going in with the second layer of the blue. Oh, I apologize. The first blue I used was Hit It Off. And the second blue is Fling. Okay, Morphe. Interesting names. But I love the colors. Wow, this is really, really pigmented. But as I said, I am going to review basically all the eyeshadow palettes I have in my collection over the next year or so. And this one here, little or no fallout, even though the colors are really deep and rich. Oops. None. whatsoever. So I like that. Easy to blend. Okay. Let's see now. I'm going with a little bit of shimmer. Hello, Dolly. Ooh, look at this. Let me see. Oh, it's just so vibrant. It's like just blending it as much as I can. Okay. And I'm taking Fling and I'm going in on the ends just to layer that out a little bit. Deepen it up a hint. And simply because I'm a little scared, I'm going to use my brush. Blending it more to the center. Wow. Wow. Oh, this is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to go in with a little bit of shimmer. And the shimmer I'm going to use is called Room for Two. Put it on the ends, the outer corner of my eye. Wow. This is really something. It's blending quite well. I had no intention of doing blue today, but it is what it is. Once again, the palette is shaping up nicely. It's some brush I'm using is leaving a lot of bristles on my face. I'm not sure why. Okay, so more of the blue. Now I'm going to go in with my a shade for right here. I'm not sure what I want, but I think I'm going to go in with Go Nude, what I originally started with. Let's see here. Go Nude. It's a nice mellow color under my brow. Just kind of nice, kind of nice. Yeah, not bad. Gorgeous, actually. Okay, and then I want to use a little bit of, let me see here, take a closer look here with my magnifying. Just had something on my eyelid. I don't know. Needs to clean it off a bit. Okay. So I'm going to go in with Milani Conceal Perfect as just to cut my crease. So this is very, 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 very rich and dense, this in particular. So I'm going to try and do my best with getting this on smoothly. So thick, but I do like it. And you got to be extra careful because you're dealing with blue. Hello. Let's see here. Blend this out a bit. And the blue, for me, it kind of consumes the eye. So I needed something a little bit more vibrant to set it off. Okay. Okay. Keeping it nice, keeping it simple. Okay, let's see. Now, going under the eye. And I'm not going to go under the eye with blue. I think it'll just be a little bit too much. So I'm going to go in with a nice brown. And this one is Vixen. I'm definitely taking it up a notch using this blue, but you know, I think I can work it. Just going in with another layer. I kind of like this. Okay. I'm just darkening it up a bit with Risque. Okay, wow, well, I'm kind of liking this. Let me see, I'm going to put a little bit of the Go Nude on my cut crease area. Just to mellow the color out a bit. Okay. I'm liking this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do my liner, lashes, and mascara off camera, and I'll be right back. So this is actually the final look. I am really pleased with this blue. I never thought I would be able to put it together, pull it together. So I put on my lashes, mascara, and eyeliner, and I really like this. This is something that I would wear during the day, go out to the beach, whatever. So this is a review of Morphe palette 35 V as in Victor. Just some beautiful shades, as I mentioned, and I'll show you the palette again. Just gorgeous shades. I mean, such an array of colors. So I went just down one row, basically. This row here with the blues and the purples and the violets. So this is the final look. Let me know your thoughts. Once again, there was little or no fallout. The palette actually was a little bit on the dry side, so I had to layer a little bit more than I normally do with Morphe palettes. I don't know. It probably says that I need to use the palette. I don't think I'd ever even used it since I purchased it like a decade ago, probably. At least 2 years ago. So I am ecstatic about this. I know on a lot of my reviews I'm giving 5s, but I'm giving 5s where they deserve it. So this is definitely a 5-star. The Morphe palette 35 V as in Victor. I am wearing Jacqueline's Beauty lashes, and this is in the style DV01. So don't forget to click the JB and join this happy little family. Click the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and check out Jacqueline's Beauty blog. Let me know in the comment section your views of Morphe. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty, and join this happy little family, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.